Cutting across to Mamata Banerjee there, addressing a poll rally in Jalda, Purulia. A quick listen.
Congress হাটাও দেশ বাঁচাও কংগ্রেস একটা সিট নিয়ে গিয়ে বিজেপির সাথে দালালি করে অনেক হয়েছে 20 বছর ধরে এখানে বসে আছে অথর্ব পাথরের মতো নড়েও না চড়েও না এবার ধাক্কা দিয়ে সরিয়ে দিন বলুন তুমি তো ক্ষমতায় আসবে না আর বিজেপিও আসবে না কাজ তো তোমরা করবে না বিনা পয়সায় রেশন তো মমতা দিয়ে দেবে স্বাস্থ্য সাথী মমতা দিয়ে দেবে কন্যাশ্রী মমতা দিয়ে দেবে রূপশ্রী মমতা দিয়ে দেবে কৃষক বন্ধু মমতা দিয়ে দেবে বিধবা পেনশন মমতা দিয়ে দেবে সব কাজ যদি মমতা দিয়ে করে দেয়
Yes, Mamata Banerjee, they're speaking at a rally in West Bengal. Remember, she's hurt her foot. She's on wheelchair bound, moving across West Bengal. Here's Mamata Banerjee addressing a rally there in Purulia. It's a mega TMC versus BJP rally face-off in West Bengal as Home Minister Amit Shah and Mamata Banerjee both have now held simultaneous rallies in the state. Many of the parts where the rallies will be crisscrossing as well. While Amit Shah is campaigning in Bankura district, Mamata Banerjee is campaigning in Purulia. Amit Shah, in fact, due to a technical snag that has hit his helicopter here, he's now addressed the rally in Bankura's Jhargram virtually. He once again slammed the Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, calling her rule as Gunda Raj, saying that the BJP will put an end to corruption in Bengal. Mamata Banerjee is holding her rally in Jalda shortly. She is leading on a wheelchair as she was injured during the campaign trail in Nandigram last week. Mamata Banerjee's second rally will begin at 3 p.m. in Balrampur Ratala ground. And Shah's second rally is scheduled to take place in Raniband.
कि बंगाल में 10 साल से तृणमूल कांग्रेस की सरकार ने बंगाल को पाताल तक नीचे ले जाने का काम किया है। हर चीज में भ्रष्टाचार, हर चीज में टोलबाजी, राजनीतिक हिंसा, घुसपैठ, तुष्टीकरण, हिंदुओं के और आदिवासियों के त्योहार मनाने के लिए हमें कोर्ट में जाना पड़े, इस प्रकार की स्थिति और मारपीट और गुंडागर्दी ने पूरे बंगाल के विकास को तहस नहस कर रख दिया है।
হয়তো সৌভাগ্য বছর তো সেদিনকে বেঁচে গেছি কোনো রকমে কিন্তু একটা তো পায়ে পুরো প্লাস্টার করা অবস্থা আমি হাঁটাচলা করতে পারছি না কিন্তু তা সত্ত্বেও ইলেকশন সামনে কেউ হয়তো ভেবেছিল আমি হয়তো বেরোতেই পারবো না এই ভাঙা পা নিয়ে কিন্তু আমি নির্বাচনের সময় আমি মনে করি আমার শরীরে যন্ত্রণা আছে কিন্তু আমার যন্ত্রণার থেকেও সাধারণ মানুষের যন্ত্রণা অনেক বেশি
I'm cutting across to Paulmi Sahar joining us live from Jhargram, West Bengal. Paulmi, you're at the same spot where Amit Shah was due to arrive, but due to a technical snag that hit his helicopter, it resulted in him carrying out that same rally virtually. But has it had the desired impact on ground? Do you see people, were they in attendance to watch Amit Shah on this virtual screen?
Well, there was obviously no screen, Nabila, because this was not something that the organizers were prepared for. So it was only an audio link, the phone being put towards the mic. So the audio was a little feeble. So the crowds obviously were quite disappointed. The fact is that many of them came from several kilometers away in order to watch and listen to the Home Minister speak. So they were disappointed and because the audio was a little feeble, they couldn't hear much of what Mr. Shah was saying, as a result of which they did start leaving. But then that happens with any sort of situation where the crowd is basically coming to a rally to watch the star campaigner. If the star campaigner is not going to be present, then obviously there is a sense of disappointment, and that is what happened on the ground here in Jhargram. Mr. Shah, of course, apologized to the crowds first up itself and said that I believe and I know that you've been waiting out there in the sun for me for a very, very long time, but unfortunately because of the technical snag in my helicopter, I couldn't be there present with you. And so as not to put them through any more duress, he kept his address very short, and of course it is still not clear whether he will be going for his second rally in Bengal today in Bankura, in Ranibandh, because the technical snag is still being fixed, and only if that gets fixed in time will he reach Bankura, because he does have further programs in Assam as well, Nabila.
Right. Thank you very much, Paulami, for joining us with those details. While Amit Shah there addresses the crowd virtually, Mamata Banerjee, present on a wheelchair, carries out her campaign. It's very interesting, as 5 days after Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was injured during the campaign trail in Nandigram, the Election Commission has now cracked the whip on the security personnel of Mamata Banerjee. The poll body has now suspended Vivek Sahai, the security director in charge of Mamata's safety, and asserted that charges must be framed against him for failing to discharge his primary duty to protect the Z+ protectee. The Election Commission has now ordered the suspension of Purva Medinipur SP Praveen Prakash and DM Vibhu Goyal as well. This comes after the Election Commission's Observer Committee concluded that there was no attack on Mamata Banerjee and that the injury was a result of security lapse. BJP candidate from Nandigram, Suvendu Adhikari, meanwhile, taking a jibe at Mamata Banerjee, said that not just the DM and the SP, all those appointed by Mamata's nephew must be removed and sacked. Meanwhile, the BJP has written to the Election Commission seeking the extent of Mamata's injury on her foot to be made public. Whatever treatment that she is now seeking, it must be made public, is what the BJP asked for, and also asked if all SOPs were followed during her treatment at the SSKM hospital.
তবে আমি মনে করি শুধু ডিএমএসপি নয়, শুধু এই জেলা নয়, আরো বহু জায়গায় খোলনলচে বদলানো দরকার আছে পরিবর্তন করার ভাইপো যাদেরকে বেছে বেছে পাঠিয়েছে এই সব লোকগুলোকেও তুলে ফেলা দরকার আছে। ইলেকশন কমিশন যত সক্রিয় হবে তত অবাধ ভয়মুক্ত গণতান্ত্রিক পরিবেশে নির্বাচন পরিবেশ তৈরি হবে। নির্বাচন কমিশনের এই সিদ্ধান্তকে আমি স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি।
And now it seems like the coal smuggling case seems to be haunting Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee and his family here. Now, Manika Gambhir's husband and father-in-law. Manika Gambhir is the sister of Abhishek Banerjee's wife. In fact, Manika Gambhir's husband, father-in-law are currently being questioned, interrogated by the CBI. Manika Gambhir is the TMC MP, Abhishek Banerjee's wife, Rujira Narula's sister. Manika was also questioned in fact, she was questioned for more than 3 hours on 21st of February at her Kolkata residence. On Feb 23rd, the CBI officials reached Rujira's residence post 11:30 a.m., quizzed her for nearly 1.5 hours. Then they left the premises saying that Rujira didn't reply in a positive manner to most of the questions posed.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.